To determine whether this function is even, odd, or neither, we're going to start by evaluating h of negative x. So that means we're going to replace our x with negative x. So when we have that negative x to the fifth power, that's negative x times negative x times negative x times negative x times negative x. So we have a negative multiplied by itself in there 5 times. So our answer is going to come out to be a negative value, and the variable parts, the x parts, would come out to x to the fifth. Okay, so we can simplify that to negative x to the fifth plus 1. So we see that this is not exactly the same as what we started with. So this is not an even function. And it's not the opposite of what we started with either, since if I factor out a negative, I would have x to the fifth minus 1, which is not negative of h of x. So this function here is neither. Just to illustrate that last point a little further, the opposite of h of x would be the negative of x to the fifth plus 1. I'd have to distribute that to both terms and get negative x to the fifth minus 1. We came out with our simplified expression here for h of negative x as negative x to the fifth plus 1. So this is not an odd function. And again, a shortcut here, because this is a polynomial, in that first term there we have an odd exponent. The second term doesn't have a variable, and so we can view that as having an exponent of 0 on the variable, since x to the 0 would be 1. Anything to the 0 power is 1. So we have an odd exponent of 5 and an even exponent of 0. So we have a mix of even and odd exponents, so the function is neither even nor odd.